If you're tired of cleaning the lawnmower the hard way and you'd like to be able to just do it with a garden hose like this video is for you. To start out, you're going to have to clean your lawnmower deck probably the hard way the first time until it looks about like this. Use a scrub brush, use a scraper, use whatever you want to get it clean. And it's going to be the last time you're going to have to do it the hard way. After that, all you need is a can of furniture polish. Now, it doesn't have to be the high-end stuff, the Pledge or whatever. The no-name brand or the cheap stuff works just fine. All you need to do is just give it a really ample spraying everywhere underneath the deck, mower blade included. And once you're done giving that thing a good hose down, just put it in the sun and let that kind of bake on or cure or dry or whatever that stuff does for about 15 minutes. And after that, you're good to go. Then you just cut your grass like you normally would. Once you're done cutting the grass, the sooner you get to the bottom of the deck to just give it a quick rinse, the better. If you have the attachment on the top, that's a plus. That makes it really easy. This one does have an attachment on the top. It doesn't do the greatest job, and I end up just flipping it on its side and kind of hosing it down with the garden hose. And what I'll do is I'll spray it off like this, and then next time before I go, just a quick little respray of that furniture polish will get you going for the next time around. Any of the stuff that falls off, I just kind of hose it in the grass. That's probably about the only downside of this method is wherever you clean, you end up with this residue left over. I just kind of wash it into the grass, and in 2 days you can't even see that it's there. Then once you got your deck all cleaned up, I just leave it in the sun to kind of dry a little bit so it doesn't leave a wet spot in the garage. Next time before you mow, just give it another quick little respray of that furniture polish. You don't have to put a bunch on. There should still be some residue kind of kicking around, and you can clean up your mower this easily every single time. Now, the best part about this is it doesn't just work for lawnmower decks. If you've got garbage cans or recycle bins, this trick also works great for that too. Give it one good cleaning. Give it a good hose down of this furniture polish, let it dry. It'll make it so easy the next time that you've got any stuck on mess. A simple spray of the garden hose cleans it right up. And if you've got a motorcycle, this is actually why it's in my garage. You spray a motorcycle windshield with this and then buff it out. The next time you have bugs stuck onto the windshield, all you do is you take a wet rag, put it on there for 10 minutes, and seriously, one single wipe will take all the bugs off. You do have to give it a reapply every single time on a motorcycle windshield, and you got to make sure that you buff it out so you don't get this milky kind of haze to look through. But it really works pretty freaking awesome. A Harley guy taught me this many years ago, and it just dawned on me to try this on the lawnmower. If this video was helpful for you, be sure to leave a comment down below, let me know, or if you have a better method, I'd love to hear from you.